sky though. Cook is behind there. Morning. Good morning from Mount Cook. Aoraki. Aoraki. Aoraki, Mount Cook. That's where I am. So good morning. I'm just preparing my breakfast. So what do I have? I have granola, I have a banana, and I have Greek yogurt with honey. Excellent. And I have a coffee, and then the day starts. Amazing that this is just nestled right here, and this all used to be glacier. Incredible, just like Milford Sound. And it's receding. You can see up the top there the glacier. And when you actually look at the top of Mount Cook, you can see the top point part is actual glacier. It's not just snow. Anyway, it's breakfast time. Let me get to breakfast and we'll see you on the road. And how cool is that view behind me? It's probably overexposed, but just spent a few hours or however long looking for something different, a bit of a different composition. Found something, I think, and then found this walkway, which is really cool. In the little heritage village area with Mount Cook behind me. Always good to check the road less travelled, and it will get you to a cool spot. Now this is the spot I was really looking for. That. Yeah. That's pretty much what I wanted, was that foreground. It's not perfect. Clouds are moving slowly, but they're pretty cool clouds. Could maybe get a time lapse here. Maybe. So I've just set up a camera to shoot a wide-ish, it's about that wide, time lapse of those clouds that are kind of moving-ish. I think I'll just sit and watch it, see what it does with those clouds. The sky! Beautiful soft light on Mount Cook, and then this is doing that. And if you've got any questions, comments or suggestions, please leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're watching the video. And there's an aeroplane coming in. We'll see you tomorrow, New Zealand. Bye, ciao, see you later.